Welcome back to AM Northwest. Now here to tell us about Key Laser Institute's involvement with Think Pink for the Cure and how they're helping cancer patients look and feel their best. We welcome dermatologist Dr. Douglas Key along with patient Yvonne Neidiger. Good to have you both here. Now, Dr. Key, we talk about the fact that when breast cancer patients have been through treatment, radiation, chemotherapy, it really ages them, doesn't it?
I believe so. Hundreds and hundreds of patients say, I'm just not, I'm beginning the rest of my life, but I look in the mirror and I don't see myself anymore. Something's very different. I've changed.
So you've come up with treatments especially designed, especially for Yvonne here, because Yvonne, you're a breast cancer survivor. You were diagnosed how long ago?
May 1st, 2010, so I'm a new diagnosis.
So you came up with a treatment plan just for her. What did it involve?
Well, the first step was wonderful for us because I had a chance to meet an extraordinary human being, which is Yvonne. There are people and there are people. Yvonne radiates an energy, a grace. She's a great spokesperson for how do you go forward. And we met, we talked. Yvonne felt that her glow, her projection was gone. her own doctors had said, we're done with treatment. And she said, you know, well, how do we go forward?
Right.
Well, we have a picture of Yvonne before you met with Dr. Keys, and here you are. I still think beautiful and radiant, but you look fantastic. What procedures specifically did you have done? Some eye work?
Yes, they did work with my eyes. They did work around my facial area, and really just the all-over glow of the skin. It wasn't one particular spot, and I think that's the thing with treatments, is you come away with your whole being affected by any of the cancer programs today. So
what we're doing is regenerative.
Yeah.
The last thing any of our patients want who are cancer survivors is anything to do with surgery.
Right.
I mean, that's the last thing.
So these are all non-invasive.
These are totally non-invasive. We're working in a regenerative mode, though. We're trying to shed some of that premature aging, that acceleration that comes with chemotherapy.
And it looks very natural, which is I think important.
We're trying to bring out the best in that.
and you've done, what is cool sculpting? If I can ask just real quick, what is?
Awesome. one word. It's a radical breakthrough where it's the first FDA clearance ever for non-invasive removal of fat. Okay, removal of fat. So body shape changes, body shape changes, and you get to sit down 53 minutes later. Wow, I get to go out and shed that unwanted bulge here or there.
We need to talk about Key for the Cure specials that you have.
We can talk about that a little bit, but let's
because you also did IPL lasers, right?
We did pulse light. We did Ulthera, because we look at the photo of the cheeks and jowl. We want to lift. We wanted to treat gravity. We wanted to treat skin surface aging. We wanted to bring back luster, brightness, and clarity.
You do look great.
But you know, that's all part of it. But can we talk a little bit about the race thing?
Yeah, well, we want to remind folks the race is this Sunday, and you are a great supporter of it. We appreciate that, and people on our team.
You're very involved in it.
There are goodies from you to them, and all kinds of stuff coming up Sunday. We're out of time, but you look beautiful, and you're doing good work. I think you ought to keep this up.
Well, I think it's a partnership. Yvonne's a tremendous spokesman for the Komen Foundation, and we want to thank Channel 2 for its enormous support for this great cause.
We thank you.
We thank you.
And again, for more information about Dr. Key and all the treatments, we'll have information on our website at katu.com. Thanks, guys, for coming in. We appreciate it.
Thank you.